a shooters, be a gun anglers. Pussy we no take bad up a bad we bad. Every rifle they are so no one spinners. AK clipping up like handicap, catch it from this time. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some people, yo, you know what, my granny always tell me a thing. And my granny always say, see people business and leave it alone. That one thing I always remember when my granny tell me. And she always say, wanna trouble you, don't trouble it. That what my granny always tell me, my people. So back to basic now with this youth named Jashii. This artist, you know, you understand? Uprising, because I'm not boss it, you know. I'm still not boss it, my people. Uprising artist. And this uprising artist, you know what I mean? You don't know when go on with a Sumfest already, my people. One of the big, you ever said the biggest Sumfest dancehall night in history, my people. Based on the fact where the world boss crowning King of Dancehall Vybz Kartel, you know what I mean? You don't know, say fans turn out in their thousands to see the world boss get him crowned. You don't know, my people. It's a dancehall moment. So, you see what Jashii go on with, go up there and style the world boss and thing. And my people, you don't know when you come on to Kartel, you know, no matter why, you know. This man have the most fans, you know, worldwide, internationally, you know, my people. So, you know what, Jashii now, him drag down for him career, there's some people. Me I tell him, I don't know what, he must smoke or what, if he must pop much pill. But when him go do it upon this, my people, him trample down for him career, man. Him trample it right down, my people. So, he make a post, you know, over him IG, my people. When post up, you know what I mean, basically him there on the stage and thing where him perform and thing, you know what I mean, my people. Yeah, man. And he make a post which you don't say I get couple likes and people, and you get me, I say I get him comments them. But my people, why me I do this vlog? I was going through these comments where Jashii get my people. And I can't tell us, say, boy, you know look good pan him side, you know, my people. Because you don't know, say the Gaza fans, them and even people, you know, Gaza go forward upon him, my people. And I can tell us, say, yo, them blast him and them deal with them, we. So when me I go do, my people, we are go roll through some of them comments here. Zine, to hear how them style Jashii. But we go through them, my people. So this person say, dancehall and music is bigger than you. Remember that. This other person say, you're brave no BBC youth. Lol, me have to give you that. But just know say it's a old house you make trouble tumble on pan you. Yo, my people. This person say which is a female, you know. By your mother a house pussy. Jaja. This person say, you lucky you make it out of the venue, yes man. The person you say now, the warrior can't talk over beg nor buy out. Number hashtag Gaza. This person said no bookings. But Mr. Jashii in Antigua, you know. You know what I mean? I have a look show over Antigua where my headline. I look a show. Me jaggle with him on the shoulder because you see Gaza thing, Kartel thing big in Antigua, you know. And for no so the Antiguans them go see oh him this Vybz Kartel, my people. Yo, let's hope and see how it go for him over there. You know what I mean? This person say, you fall off. This other person said, dog, that's what him career. Wish him did try build a career because Jashii, him not no career. You know what I mean? This person say, corner league, you a play a little youth. This other person say, me disappointed Jashii. This person say, groupie lol, that's why your career flop. You know what I mean? Can never this Kartel youth. I make the biggest mistake, me I tell you. This person say, see when you love fella, you try wait pan drop off reunion next year like silk ass. The person say, yo, Jaja. The person say, Jashii coming like Caesar girl, go around every artist and say them are the baddest. All you have to do is bring him on stage for 20 seconds. That's not a lie. And of course, me seeing this something like this surreal, you know. This person say, Man, back you are right pan your working man. So commander, Jaja. Yo, this person you say, from when you are creep, brother, and when you are go walk, yo, somebody wipe the breast milk off of him out there. This person say, time to unfollow you. And no joke, people. Thousands of people unfollow him. You see me, wish me never did a follow him from morning because them look at youth and they move too shaky. You know what I mean? So me never did a follow the youth from morning. No joke. You see me? This person say, if you go make JK out to sell your career before teacher give ATL use dealership. That person laugh and say comments never disappoints. Yo, that person say again, me not like you again. You just lose a fan. No, yo, boy, them a deal with the cream of the crap away, you know. No joke, my people, them a deal with it away. This person say, which me really wants to comment, it say, Vybz Kartel is the most influential artist. The only artist who make 18 private jets come Jamaica with so many celebrities. Selling out arena shows after shows. Creating hits from prison. Meanwhile, some of them so-called artists the road and make Afrobeat a style for dancehall. Afrobeat was taken over, but Kartel pushed back dancehall upon the international scene again. And this brother, big up yourself, humble 333. Zane youth, real facts here talk. Real facts. Dancehall they dead in a casket. You see me? With flowers on top of it. Afrobeats take over with the choir. And people, Vybz Kartel rise up a past upon it. No joke about it. You see me? Dancehall is back on top. All because of Vybz Kartel. So all of them look a claffy and them look a clown ya. Them should not show the man more love, more respect. But instead of you carry hate and bad mind against a man we are lead, Kartel open the doors soon a career. But you know, on the head you just feel like he must stop it. Eh? Bad mind youth. No, sir. No, bad mind. Yo, me I tell him. No, people. This person say, rum is not for kids. Now your career done. Can't make kids know your business. Massacre must sorry him, they tell him his business. And a whole heap of SY I get my people. Whole heap of suck your mother I get. Plenty of them. You understand? Plenty. Me I tell her say, you might get them. This person say, SYM. Jashii, you can't style a teacher, brawling, Spain town badness a year. You know what I mean? People, me I tell us them deal with them are weird. Eh? No, sir, me just go through when I feel like reading because there's so much, eh? There's so much, me people. You know what this person said? Your song them can't play. No, you're a Rockfort, make me hear. No, man, play, no, This person, John, bro, what did you do to yourself? No, sir, at least a person sorry for him and I say, oh, this is sorry for him. It say, be safe because you are going to need it, believe. No, sir, people. Me I tell her, say, yo, the amount of thing, no, man. This person say, you really never had to be that guy. You diss the deep freezer and heal the cooler box. Public apology, youth, please. Yo, nobody no need no public apology from Jashii. Me I tell her that. Who is him to give public apology? Him done do what him do already. And he can't robot. You understand? Him done do it already. Jashii done do it already. The person said, SYM, Last Nation, and go and build the bus back and try see if you can bus back. Everybody will try give you a strength at the badness thing. Jashii, youth, you are a real clown. Big waist rocky man. Youth, you are what it, Jaja people. My viewers and my subscribers. No. There's so much. Me I tell us that there's so much. Him figure find hits and go beard. You know what I mean? I said, yo, people, there's so much. Me I tell you the truth, there's so much. This person said, just a different man. So about Gaza, this Gaza that probably not even send up a prayer to the Lord. From when you came out that waste people, them you can't but king on our sheep. Yeah, no, well, this person definitely, him get somebody who back him up. You know what I mean? This person definitely not like the Gaza. You see me? Yeah, man, definitely not like the Gaza. For you see the cat emoji that's for them profile DP, you know, say them are real. Some, you know what I mean? This person say, your career fall off youth from a this the king. Gaza around Africa, remember that. Well, my people, may I tell you the truth. A whole heap of people and follow him. A whole heap of people in and with Jashii again. You know what I mean? And one of the worst move he could have ever make. You know, no matter what, he should have never made that move. You get me and say you cannot style Vybz Kartel, you cannot disrespect Vybz, you know what I mean? Because number one, a lot of people are pre-Vybz Kartel, even people who did hate Kartel before and I see the changes and the difference of the man be. The man are upon the foolishness again, the man are upon the hatred, the man are upon the beef with nobody. Is a different version of Vybz Kartel, I see. And a lot of people, more people love this type of cartel. And if it's somebody like a young local youth like this one, yeah, who no boss yet, my people, you understand? And want to come on big reggae sound fest and try for style, you know what I mean? No, for really and truly, my people, one of the worst move him ever make. This is for your career when I reach nowhere yet, youth. You're not boss yet, youth, me I tell you that. Because only thing you can do, you run back a big artist to get a hype off of them. You know what I mean? You're not boss nowhere yet, Jashii. Me I tell you that. Youth, one of the worst move you could have ever make in a dance hall. Remember me tell you that, one of the worst move. You see me? And me just hope you're looking at yourself and say, yo, there's a big waste, Jashii. Big waste. No joke. My people, big up on yourself. You don't know, say one team, one dream, one scheme. And just remember to do a like, my people, share the video and do a subscribe to the channel and follow me on all social media platforms. Instagram, Facebook, X. You don't know the thing of my people. TikTok, NEWLINK Production Official. NEWLINK Back to School Treat September 2025. Support my people. Link up, check below for my contact, email, phone number, whatever you want to contribute to the movement, my people. A godly thing we are dealing with. Peace out. Stay blessed and stay safe. Jashii.